Hey guys, today we're going to do a couple of how-to videos on questions that we've gotten. Number one, how to put your drink into your chiller drill. First thing you want to do is slide your insulator up just a little bit, put your can in because they fit tight, and slide it down. It's that simple. If you try to do this, you just smash your insulator down in two. So just slide it up a little bit and slide your can in, push it down, and you're good to go. How to cast your chiller drill. First off, you have your spool here. You want to point your spool in the direction that you want to throw. Make sure your fingers are not touching the spool. All you do is point it in the direction, underhand pitch it out, sit here, have a little line in your hand, have a little slack, that way you can drink and stay hydrated and jerk at the same time. We got one on right here. Pretty good sized pinfish. And that's